How many sheep per acre? One of the most frequently asked questions I receive, and my answer is always 1 to 2 sheep per acre on good pasture. If you have good grass, you can probably fit more than 2 sheep per acre on there. When it comes to raising sheep, you not only need to think about the grass that's going into their mouth, but also think about the parasite loads that are on that grass. And when it comes to sheep, especially for beginner shepherds, one of the biggest challenges you're going to have is managing the internal parasites. The more sheep on 1 acre, the more parasites there will be. In that first year, take it small. And if you have a ram in with your ladies, as will have already doubled. If you want an absolute beginner's guide to raising sheep, go to shopshepherdess.com and buy Story's Guide to Raising Sheep.